Okay, y'all, you saw the wig that we are going to install. It is the beautiful wig from HAIRVIVI. And so I am going to film this install for you guys, start to finish. And these are the things that we're going to use. So first up, wig cap, of course. I'm also going to be using this spray from Frontal Queen. Our glue of choice is going to be Miss Erica J. So this is her Sport Trio. Comes with the adhesive skin guard, the glue, and then she also has a remover in this trio as well. Of course, a melting band, hot comb, and my T3 curling iron.
Son, don't give me the broken girl. You come here.
Oh, well, you stink.